On YouTube gang, this your boy G-So Creator back with another little short intro video. What you looking at right here is a RR Super Power Speed pocket rocket. Now this ain't your average pocket rocket. This pocket rocket right here has two dual tailpipes. It goes 70 miles per hour, but we did remove the governor on this thing and seen up to about 85 miles per hour on it. It is a 250cc, but we brought it over to a 300cc. Been kind of swapped out, you know what I'm saying, for a little more speed. So this ain't your average kid bike right here. He does this for adult, cause it's been modified. It's been raced. Used to use it for a racing bike. So you got all your everything on here is just like your average size motorcycle. You got your kickstand right there. You got your gears right there. It is a 5-speed, 1 down, 4 up. Of course, you know it's a 4-stroke. Racing fuel. We put racing fuel in this bad boy. The issue I'm having with this thing right now is obviously getting it running. So this is a little project that I'm gonna be working on this week. I'm gonna tear this thing down, get the carburetor cleaned out, get the gas cleaned out. Probably put some new lines on this bad boy, and get back on it and ride it. Me, I'm 6 feet tall. I probably weigh about 6. I probably weigh about 200 and I don't know, 60 something pounds. And plenty of leg room. Look, 6 feet tall. You see the leg room I got. So I mean, it's pretty steady. So it will hold me. It will get up on me because I had rode it before. But yeah. So that's what I got going on this week. And try to get this bad boy cleaned up real nice and get the speed back up to par on it. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Welcome to the YouTube family. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate y'all letting me know how far my videos reaching out to. If you're a Pocket Rocket fan, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you can see more epic content on this bad boy right here. Cause when I tell y'all, when I get it right, I'm probably gonna repaint it, but I do like the color on there now. But it do need to be touched up a little bit. It need to be cleaned up because it's dirty for one. But get the tires pumped up on that bad boy and all out ride it again. So there you have it. Got dual lights on it. Now this right here, it's not plastic. It's like a real aluminum, kind of like of aluminum. A lot of bikes now they plastic, made of plastic. This right here, the frame on this bad boy is not plastic neither. It's actually fiberglass. So it got a fiberglass. Everything on here is fiberglass. It ain't just that cheap plastic that you would get on your average pocket rockets. Everything is fiberglass. So that do make this bike kind of sturdy. Well, make it real sturdy. But yeah, make it do what it do, man. Signing out. Hope you guys have a blessed week. If you're on your X-Motos, man, y'all be safe on that bad boy. We'll be jumping back up on that thing this weekend. Supposed to be going to hit some trails up if it's pretty this weekend. We're going to take it out on another field. Me and my homeboy, we're going to go out there and ride. So, yeah, make it do what it do, man. Signing out.